Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about dotted note values and tie. What is a dotted note value? A dotted note value increases the duration of a note by adding half of its original value. Dotted note values are divided into four, that is dotted semibrief, dotted minim, dotted crotchet and dotted quiver. What is dotted semibrief? The original value of a semibrief is 4 beats. When we add a dot, it adds half of its value, which is 2 beats. So, a dotted semibrief is worth 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 beats. Let us see dotted minim. The original value of a minim is 2 beats. When we add a dot, it adds half of its value, which is 1 beats. So a dotted minim is worth 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 beats. Dotted crochet. The original value of a crochet is 1 beat. When we add a dot, it adds half of its value, which is 1 by 2 beats. So a dotted crochet is worth 1 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 beats. Now the last one is dotted quiver. The original value of a quiver is 1 by 2 beats. When we add a dot, it adds half of its value, which is 1 by 4 beats. So a dotted quiver is worth 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 beats. What is a tie? A tie is a curved line connecting two notes of the same pitch. Example, play the first note and hold for the time value of both notes. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more content.